The 63rd Teachers' Day celebration 2024 was held at Soso Tham Auditorium today with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma as the chief guest and Minister of Education Rakham A. Sangma as the guest of honor. The Chief Minister emphasized the importance of teachers in cultivating future generations. He announced initiatives to improve the education sector, including positive competition among schools, exchange programs and promoting local languages. 14 teachers received State Awards 2024 for their distinguished service, and Catherine Nongrum received a special award.
So where the vision is 1 year, cultivate flowers. Where the vision is 10 years, cultivate trees. Where the vision is eternity, cultivate people. It's one of my more favorite quotes, I should say. And it's very meaningful on a day like this today. Because what does cultivating people mean? Where do we cultivate people? Who cultivates people? Cultivating people means imparting knowledge, education, and wisdom.